Hello. This might be bloody working. Seems like that is not gonna work. Which is a shame. Let's go see to view. Gonna work. Which is a shame. Okay. Messages are coming through. Guess I'll just carry on. So, what have we got? Let me go find Steam. Launch that. You're looking at there is Claude Code, which is what I've been using to build Turbocast, which is what I'm streaming through right now. Mm-mm-mm. So what I'm hoping to do is do some code, or show you what I'm usually doing. Usually when I'm streaming Dota 2 like this, I am programming or vibe coding in the background anyway. But now I just figure, share it. So now you can see what I'm doing. So this is, let me hide Claude, showing you. So pretty much VS Code. What is this? Clipper Foundation? Oh, we've just done that, right? Let me give you a quick lay of the land here. This is the Turbocast repository. Got a whole buttload of stuff in here. I think at the top level, what you need to know is there's dedicated disk. How are you? New concept. Pod code gone. So I've got Dota 2 here in the background. Start searching for a game in a minute. I just wanted to show you what I do with Claude Code first. So pretty much all of today I've had it chomping away at this spec here for an automated clipping service. It's part of TurboCast. So this was, let me hide that, the Clipper Foundation, which is the first spec in this overall piece of functionality. So the way that I've been using this tool is you have an idea or concept, and then you chat about it with the AI, do lots of research, get the AI to do lots of research, get it to explore how this problem's being solved by other businesses, and is there any white papers on it, compare all the pros and cons of a bunch of different approaches, narrow down an approach for your situation, and then go through the whole plan of implementing it in great detail, excruciating detail, so that it's not going to get it wrong when it goes to implement it. And what we're looking at here is the high level plan of that auto clipping feature. So you got the problem summary at the top here that's put in. It's a paid only feature. That's going to be changing because I'm still working on the pricing model for everything. Got the current state here. So this is explicitly going to be handed off to a bunch of agents to not actually implement, but take this initial plan document, which is like the master plan with all the research and everything into it. And then a subset of agents have to take that and turn it into a subset of designs for each particular little piece that's going to get implemented. And then after that, you then review those specs with other agents. So there's like, assume that you're an agent that's going to do this. Does this make sense? And then I realize I can close this because I don't actually use cursor anymore. That one. There we go. And then once all the agents are like, yeah, these specs look good, then I start implementing. And you can give it to an agent who loops through all the tasks in a given spec and does it, really. And at the end of it all, there's another agent loop, which is on in a fresh context, that goes and compares what's been actually written or built with what was in the master plan and the specs involved. So it's all about like trying to harness the power of the AI whilst keeping it on track and avoiding hallucinations, being as thorough as possible. Does that make sense? And if I've missed something, then feel free to ask questions. But what I've just done today is turn this like plan document into, well, I didn't do it, a bunch of agents did it with my guidance. Into a bunch of specs like this. And every time an agent does a spec, then it's marked as completed. And when an agent comes to pick up a task, this changes to in progress, so the agents don't clash and work on the same thing at the same time, which is important, so you can parallelize it. Plus, the planning agents mark certain tasks as parallelizable and the dependencies of each task on other tasks. So yeah, you can see this one, it's all completed. So what I want to do now is finalize it, which is the step where an agent will go through this plan, the design, the requirements, and then look at what was actually implemented and, you know, correct things or suggest things or point out things that needs to be fixed, all that good stuff. So since I'm streaming through TurboCast right now, I'm a little unsure of how good the chat feature is. Ooh, this looks complex, hard to understand for me right now. You should create a series going all the steps for a simple project. That's not a bad idea. Yeah. I'll show you what I'm doing right now, and then so if I just start a clean slate, this is just, you know, oh wait, I've got the wrong thing showing. Here we go. So this is just you know, a terminal ZSH with OpenSOS plugins. So if you just start up Claude, boop, there he is. There's the lobster himself. And then with Claude, you can enhance Claude with, with most agents, you can enhance them with skills and commands and agent types and profiles and things. For Claude specifically, I've built a bootstrap skill. So whenever I start a fresh agent, I can run bootstrap. And what that does is read a file called claude.md and system.md. You can see him doing it there. And in system.md is everything that an agent needs to know about this system. Because when you start the agent, it knows nothing. So I've encapsulated at a high level, what is this project? Where have you spawned? Look around you. That's what the purpose of this bootstrap skill is. So now you can see he's bootstrapped in, and this is what he knows now. So he's like, okay, I see what I'm in. We've got a control plane, which is the website. Got the media plane, which does the splitting of the streams. Got a clipper service, which is what I just started today. That's going to handle like automatically recognizing clippable moments by the fusion of chat events, audio signals, computer vision analysis. And then we've got the edge nodes, which is the edge point in the system where someone's stream lands. And you want that to be as simple and rock solid as possible. So it's a very dumb little server that just sits there and holds onto a connection and forwards it on into the rest of the system. Yeah, so that's the point of the bootstrap, is to teach the agent very quickly, where are we, what are we what have we got so far? And then since I finished that Clipper spec today, I've got this skill called Finalize Spec. And I need to remind myself what the name of that was. Clipper-Foundation. Give it the name of the spec. So this is a custom skill that I've written. I've honed it over many iterations, many features delivered. And you can ignore these hook errors. This is just a bug in Claude. It's not actually erroring. So finalize spec, what that's going to do, the agent's going to go, like I said, look through what was the Clipper Foundation spec designed to do, what were the requirements, what were the tasks it was told to actually do, and then it's going to go and use a bunch of sub-agents with the appropriate profiles. So if it's going to go and inspect the media system, it'll use the Rust agent profile, because then it'll be preloaded with a bunch of Rust knowledge. That means it's expert enough to evaluate the Rust changes. And then if it finds any problems, like, hey, you said you were going to write this file, but you didn't write this file, then it'll work out why there's discrepancies and correct things that need to be corrected, or just tell me about the differences and I can act on them if I need to. So that's going to be running now for a wee while, and that means we can just do this. Are you playing, Butters? He's not here. He in bed already. Are specs lists of tasks? That's a good question. So I'll show you. Specs is something that I got from working with AWS Kiro, which was their competitor to Cursor. You just did 3 games and you're tired. I understand, bro. Glad you're here anyway. So hopefully you can see this. So this is a spec. So I've got a directory called specs. Hope that's readable. Is that readable on the stream? Maybe I should make that bigger. That's hopefully better. At the top level, there's this directory called specs. And so by the way, I haven't written anything in this entire code base. I've not written a single line. It's entirely been agent driven. Somewhat readable. Maybe I'll go even bigger. Crazy. You got specs, and within specs, a spec can be in one of 4 states. So it's either something you need to do, so you've not started yet, or it's in progress, so you started some of it. It's done, which means you've done all the stuff in the spec, and that reflects the current active state of the system. Game popped. And then there's archived, which means we did this, but the behavior has been superseded or swapped out, or it's redundant, or we went a different way, whatever. And then within each of those categories, sorry, just picking Pudge in the background. Oh, I didn't get him. Classic. So a spec will have a name, which is the directory, and then it'll always have a design file, a requirements file, and a tasks file. Design file is kind of like what comes out of a product team. Like, what are we doing? what's the high level architecture, things like that. Requirements are, as you can imagine, requirements, user stories, functional requirements, non-functional requirements. How fast does it have to be? How big are the things involved? Data size, data flow, data rate.
5 seconds remaining.
Oh boy. I just chose Slardar. Nope, I haven't played Slardar in a long time. That'd be interesting. And then tasks is the actual things that the agent can do in neat little bundles, and it references what requirements are necessary for this task, things like that. And that is a spec. Are you comfortable with sharing your code base? Yeah, I'm not going to be sharing my API keys or anything. But yeah, I think it's useful to share or interesting to share how I'm doing this, because a rapidly evolving space and the things that I share are going to be like less and less useful pretty quickly. Oh look, so our Claude thing in the background has stopped and it's asking for permission to run a command. So it'll do this every now and then, and you gotta look at what it's running and be like, yeah, sure, that's fine, or no, don't do that. You're gonna remove my whole directory. Just something to you can run Claude in a certain way where it won't be asking for those things anymore. But that's pretty dangerous, obviously, because it'll just be like, to fix this bug, I need to delete all of your files. Whoops.
My prayers are answered.
And now I can just sit back and relax whilst Claude does that. I'm thinking of adding a mobile app to this as well. And I'm stuck on thinking about should I do something like React Native, so you write once, ship everywhere, or should I do more oops, I'm busy yakking.
Max is impressed.
Better. I did the terminal part with Gemini, so I understood that part, but specs are not fully there yet. Have you heard of the Claude Code base leak? Yeah. Who hasn't heard of that? I didn't get it. The base leak. Yeah, there's now, if you look across GitHub, there's now like 1 million Claude Code clones. That's a different thing. That difficult thing to say. Claude Code clones, and they've all been ported to like Rust or Python or whatever. Oh boy.
You're done.
Keep a lookout.
Make it a series, part 1, part 2. Yeah, I could do that. It's just I'm not very good at editing, so it's gonna look pretty garbage, but
No mercy.
that'd be fine. The scraps of knowledge that I have will be in there, hopefully useful to someone.
Yes. Keep a lookout.
What's he doing? This techies is crazy.
Guard well.
Ow. Just didn't want that to go to him. I can be the editor, hire me. I can't afford you, bro.
I rush to defend. I'll treasure this. Yes. To the deep ones guide. My deepest sympathies.
I would hire you if I could afford you. I'm not a good Slardar. Whilst we're walking back to base here, let's have a look at what Claude's doing. Oh, he's asking for more permissions. He's like, please sir, may I install these things? Alright. Then we go back to Dorpa.
The scale. Yes. I rush to defend.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Focus the game, you're gonna lose. You probably will lose. Oh boy. I have no damage.
Keep a lookout.
Yeah. My creep.
I'm under attack.
Ow.
Onward.
No.
Ba 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 ba.
To the fight.
Ow.
Yes. Oh,
Ooh.
I give no quarter. Look to the foe. Slither. Keep a lookout.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Deep ones guide me.
Owie.
No delay. Guard. I'm under attack.
Your top tower is under attack.
What's going on here?
Top tower is under attack.
Kill.
This lane is rough. It's very rough.
The Centurion returns.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Yeah.
Just caution.
Goddamn bounty.
To the fight. I go. You're in deep water.
Yeah, laning against Jug is usually pretty rough.
Slither.
Yeah.
Onward.
Dire structures are fortified.
I rush to defend. I'm on to you.
Your top tower is under attack. I hate to nag. Killing spree! The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Look to the foe. Sympathies.
What is that?
No delay. Look to the foe.
Ah, no.
I hear the
Damn, creep.
For my great side mana. Your middle tower is under attack. Oh, do be careful.
none may stop me.
Should probably check up on the old Claude. Yep, looks all good. So I've allowed it to just edit everything during the session. I respawned. Go see.
Killing spree! Triple kill!
Keep a lookout. One's guide me. No mercy.
We.
Slither.
Dire structures are fortified.
Patrolling. Yes. Yes. Guard well.
Double kill!
We.
Your middle tower has fallen.
That Cottle seems pretty smurfy.
Unstoppable! Killing spree!
Guard well. Look to the foe.
Your top tower is under attack! Oh, oh my! Your middle tower is under attack!
Sympathy. Onward. Vigilance. I'll do it for a redeem.
Tower is under attack!
Out. Good. Deep ones guide me. Patrolling.
Owie! Oh, Slaughter! Woo! Cow's eyes on. Long time no see. How's your food?
Your top tower is under
I
attack!
should have checked on the agent whilst that was going on.
No delay.
Your top tower has fallen!
To the fight. Pressure for the deeps. Onward. In over your head. You're in deep water. I'm on to you. To the fight. My strength in guard well. I'll treasure this. No delay. Deep ones guide me. You won't escape. Keep a lookout.
Ooh. Right, now let's see. So you see the result of that was that it's done. It's finished. Good. So I'll exit. Start a new agent. Go back to Dota for a second.
Radiant's courier has been killed. Dire structures are fortified.
I go.
How am I doing? I am Gala. Pretty good. How are you?
Face me.
Think Shaman's dead maybe?
Mercy.
Oh.
On their tail. After them. Patrolling. Look to the foe.
Yeah, I'm tracked.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Not good. Not good at all.
No mercy. We see you. Onward.
Nice.
Slither. Patrolling. Deep ones guide me. What my power grows. To the fight.
Err.
I go. Vigilance.
Careful.
Yes. No delay. I rush to defend. Keep a lookout. Look to the
Survived.
foe. Killing spree. Dominating. Double kill. Fear not your death. On guard. I'm on to you.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I'm not ready. Slither.
Your top
That's
tower is
unfortunate.
under attack.
Guard well. I'm under attack. Slippery.
No.
Fortune's changed.
Well played. I forgot about the basic dispel on the orb. I forgot about that. Just go BKB. Oh yeah, I forgot to go back to agent. Right, this is where we are. So I'll bootstrap it and then run the next spec, which is Clipper control data, I think. Yep. What that'll do is it'll set the agent up with the context of the project, and then he'll start work on the next batch of things to do.
Patrolling.
Meantime, I can do this.
With you.
Use Assault Cuirass on him instead of Echo Saber. I was gonna get Assault Cuirass as well. Is there a... Would you go one and not the other?
I rush to defend.
Your top tower is under attack. Oh my heavens! This is
To the
dreadful. Dire's courier has been killed.
Yeah.
No delay. Yes. Mega kill.
Tower is under attack.
Keep a lookout. Treasure this. Look to the foe. Under attack. Unstoppable. Keep a lookout.
How? Howie? Ow.
Never refuse.
Let's see, do you want to proceed? Yes, you may work in that directory. So you can see it's found the things to do, and he's understood all the things he has to do in the dependency graph. So he's going to do 1 first, and then 2 and 3 in parallel, 4, 5, 6, and 10 in parallel, then 7, 8, 9, 11. He's starting lots of sub-agents to do all that work. So he's like the orchestrator at the top. So he's got a back-end implementer agent here running. Again, I'll just stick that in the background. Over here.
Tower has fallen. Oh, for heaven's sake!
Oh no. Rip team.
I rush to defend.
we're gonna have to go and defend down there, aren't we?
Face me.
Your middle tower is under attack.
No delay.
This is why I shouldn't play heroes that you like, Handy. Because I just butcher them. Yeah.
Your top tower is under attack. May I suggest caution? Your middle tower is under attack.
Yeah. Oh, I'm dead.
Your top tower is under attack. On your hands. Your top tower is under attack.
Cottle is huge.
Watch out. Your middle tower is under attack. Oh my.
Had his way with you.
Your middle tower has fallen. Your middle tower is under attack.
Oh, he's gonna not make it. Oh, he did make it.
Your top tower is under attack.
Ugh.
Deep ones guide me.
Your top tower is under attack.
Guard well. Onward.
I'm dead again.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Oh, do be
Oh, that is bad. Sophia Jack. Urgent BKB needed. Yeah. You're right, Andy. You're right.
Your middle tower has fallen. Your middle barracks have fallen. Your middle barracks are under attack.
Ow.
I must
Dire
divert.
structures are fortified. Your top tower is under attack. You may want to take care of that. Your top tower has fallen. Your top tower is under attack. I hate to nag, but watch out!
Oh, Amber's got BKB. God damn. We can see Claude still chomping away in the background. He's working on task 1. Still.
Bottom tower is under attack. Not good. Not good at all.
Yep. Hottle's just living his best life, isn't he?
Your middle barracks have fallen. Now your bottom tower is under attack.
Should have went BKB first.
Your bottom tower has fallen. Your bottom barracks are under attack. Your bottom barracks have fallen.
You were right when you said I will just go BKB. Handy.
Your bottom barracks have fallen. Well, that was a letdown. Your top tower is under attack.
Killing spree!
What?
Your top
Micro.
tower is under attack.
Micro. He calls us idiots.
Your top tower.
He had 2 controls coming back out.
Your top tower has fallen. Your top barracks are under attack. Your top barracks have fallen.
Dominating!
Your top barracks have fallen. Well now, this is a disturbing situation.
Mega kill! Double kill!
Did you not?
Killing spree!
Your ancient is under attack. Your ancient is under attack. Dire victory.
I'm planning to start playing the game soon. Hopefully we can team up sometime. Yeah? By the way, do you mind if I share your channel link with my friends? My friends play this game too, and I think they'd love to check you out. Sure. Go for it. Boing. At the end of every game, always commend everyone, regardless. I played really bad there. I'm sorry, Handy. I'm sorry, Handy. Let's go have a look at Claude. What's he doing? Still on task 1. Let's go have a look at what task 1 was. So the in progress, Clipper data, tasks. Task 1 was Clips migration and Ecto schema. So create the Clips table migration. Yep. And the Clip schema. Status transition validation enforces the defined state machine. Okay. This shouldn't really be taking that long. It's interesting. It's just 2 files. I guess he's being really thorough. I should probably have some music on when I'm doing this. That'd be a good idea. go to when you're streaming. This is cool. Sub QC. I should probably make this a bit bigger. Better. Sub QC. This is usually when I'm streaming, I'm doing this in the background. What? Why don't I just make this part of the stream? You know, might be interesting to some people. And I'm doing it anyway, so. Now you see what I'm doing in the background. What I'm doing right now. So I've got finding in the background. Sophia Jack. There it is, the inevitable cell attempt. Coding streams are a thing. Yeah. Obviously it's not my idea. But I saw this guy, he's building a thing called BridgeMind. But he does like 4 hours of streaming every day, just him coding, or vibe coding, he calls it. And I thought, yeah, why don't I show the work that I'm doing whilst I'm doing it? So his setup is mental. He has like 8 agents running at a time. I'm not. It's a different way of working. MD file, a preprocessor thing. MD file, MD stands for Markdown. And it's just a simple this is like a text file with a bit of fanciness. Really. I'm gonna have to restart Dota. Got that sound bug. Audio library. There we go. You know Markdown. Used to use it to blog. Yeah. There's. Yeah, you'll know what it is then. There's several like automated libraries that will take a Markdown and turn it into HTML. Because it's quite it's a relatively straightforward mapping to go from Markdown to HTML.
Your turn to pick.
A lot of similar concepts.
10 seconds to pick. 5 seconds. Hurry, hurry!
GNOME. Used to use it to blog. Where's your blog, QC? Does it still exist? Sophia Jack, I'm not interested, but good luck selling your wares. That's the wrong one. Yeah, so this guy, what people tend to do is have like 7 agents running all a bunch of different things, like in a loop, like on change, run static analysis, on change, run unit tests, fix any errors, things like that. They have these agents looping and looping and looping. I prefer to have one agent that does things like sequentially and event driven.
Rest is for the dead. This was in the bag the day Axe was born.
Dota! Dota!
Axe goes.
Dota!
Let's just get rid of that. There.
Axe runs.
That's the way I've come to understand the use of agents. I'll just follow the plus recommendations.
Good day to fight.
I'm interested in this YouTube library. Whoa.
We were sparks on
30 seconds to battle.
Dark and bright. Oh, this one. Oh crap, the game.
Let the carnage begin. To the
Sophia,
field, Roy.
Jack, I do not doubt it.
You deserve nothing. Enemies need killing. Forward.
Sophia, Jack, I have 3 children, a wife, 2 dogs.
Charges.
I am not interested.
Axe, axe. Into war's teeth.
Ow.
Fight if you can. Axe is under attack. Cut and run. Axe goes. Here comes the axe. Axe brings the axe.
Hang on.
Attack.
Oops. I was thinking YouTube kind of is at, I think you mean suits.
Axe attacks.
YouTube suits streaming because of HLS. Does Twitch have delay as well?
Show your worth. Witch Doctor, our enemies are in need of axe at into war's teeth. Not this. Cut and run. To the enemy. Prove yourself. Good day to fight. Axe charges.
Come here.
Denied. Rest is for the dead. It is not yet time. Fight if you can. Enemies need killing.
Your reign of terror is over. Our warrior is
To battle. Into war. Good day to fight.
Sucks. Oh yeah. At work right now. But I'll pull up with my crew for your next stream. Sounds ominous.
Axe run. First blood.
I'm polite and efficient.
Forward.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Axe is promoted. Show your axe is under attack. Axe goes.
YouTube kinda sucks because of the HLS.
Cut and run.
So the
To the enemy.
lag, I find the lag to be actually kind of similar between YouTube and Twitch.
Is for the dead. Prove yourself. Axe chop.
Why is he taking the farm?
Enemies need killing. Prove yourself. Into war's heat.
Oh.
Axe trades in death. A slice of the action. Show your worth. Rest is for the
Sucks. Yeah, I'm not too sure on their implementation. I imagine they're using LLHLS,
axe runs.
given that they're YouTube, you know.
Fight if you can. To the enemy. Good day to fight.
Mid-tower taking damage.
Show your worth. Is under attack. Enemies need
Yeah.
killing.
Where's my witch doctor? Why is he going back? Oh, good lord.
Battle. Axe goes. Forward. Cut and run. Rest is for the dead. Fight if you can.
Come on, witch doctor, do something. Ow.
Good day to fight.
Well done.
Wet my blade. Enemies need killing. Prove yourself.
Dire structures
Axe goes.
Ow.
To the enemy. Axe run.
Sorry, I'm just looking at the game for a minute.
Axe trades in death. Show your worth.
Incredible.
And what army?
Oh my goodness, this guy.
top tower is under attack.
Discord. Lag free as possible if you use WebSockets instead. But there must be some reason nobody seems to do that. Right clicking Jakiro was a mistake, you took tower aggro for nothing. Yeah, but I'm a noob. QC, you know?
Into war.
Could get a triple kill here, maybe? No.
To battle. To the enemy. Taste my blade.
Mid-tower taking damage.
Over the realm. Axe brings the axe. Wet my blade. Into war's teeth. Axe runs. Prove yourself.
Oh, you lucky Jakira.
Axe charges.
Ow.
Show your work. Axe is under attack. Enemies need killing.
Wait for it.
Come on, career.
Cut and run. Takes off. Forward.
I don't think you can do
Fight.
great video streaming over WebSockets. Huh?
Prove yourself. Rest is for the dead.
Ow.
Wonderful. Your middle tower is being torn to pieces.
Might get Jakiro? Dead. Lag free as possible if you use WebSockets. Oh, still that. As far as I know, WebSockets is not great for sending like binary data through. Could be wrong. Oh boy,
Cuts both ways.
that was a nice combo. Well played. It's a socket, you can do anything. But if you're gonna do, I've seen it done. I believe you. I'm just curious because with HLS, you get the segmented video and audio feeds, depending on how you're doing your chop it up. With WebSockets, how are you checkpointing things? If someone wants to scrub the video back, how do you do that with WebSockets?
Good day to fight.
Your bottom tower is under
Axe is not ready. To battle.
Maybe I just need to
bottom tower being attacked.
explore it with like Claude. Maybe I could use WebSockets in TurboCast. I do have an HLS feature for like the preview of your own stream,
Axe goes.
which I'm gonna upgrade to LLHLS at some point. Like HLS is just version 1 of it.
Into war's teeth. Killing spree. Here comes the axe. Rest is for the dead.
Lifestealer is dead.
Axe charges. To battle.
He's got Mask of Madness now.
Prove yourself. Into war's teeth.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Axe is under attack.
Not CDN friendly. Yeah, is what I'm thinking. Because HLS is very CDN friendly, obviously, because you're just serving these files.
Your middle tower
So my HLS implementation is via Cloudflare, just R2 and a CDN in front of it.
Taste my
It works pretty well because I plan to go global scale with this thing.
wet my blade.
So when you start a stream, Fly.io will start up nodes nearest to wherever you're streaming from, so I catch your stream as early as possible. Ow.
To the enemy! Axe trades in death. Enemies need killing.
Mid tower taking damage.
A slice of the action. Show your worth.
Stun, stun, stun. Ah. At least I got a kill.
Axe runs. Axe charges. Rest is for the dead. Fight if you
Ah.
can. Yeah. Into war's teeth. A slice of the action. Show your worth. Spray.
No.
You're not good, Deja. Axe goes.
Sophia Jack.
Axe charges.
This is a no-go zone, bro. I appreciate the hustle though. You're pushing hard.
Enemies need killing.
But like I said, I have lots of young kids, full family to support. I don't have money for streaming artwork.
Axe trades in death.
You need to spend your time on the people who might buy. Or will buy. But I suppose it's quite hard to know who will buy.
Wet my blade. Good day to fight. Attack!
Maybe no one attack Dire's tower for a few seconds here. Enemy's top tower destroyed.
Axe! Axe!
What way the Weaver went.
Take my blade. Rest
Your
is for
middle
the
tower
dead.
is under attack. Your middle tower is under attack.
Fight if you to me. To battle. To the enemy. Axe attacks. Axe runs.
Let's just give this Lifestealer a bit of company.
Good day to fight.
Why is he not farming the lane? Farm the lane, bro.
Axe charges.
QC, you seem to know a lot about
A slice.
software stuff. And I'm pretty sure you said that you just recently got out of prison and then you were working a like snow shoveling job. What are you doing?
Cut and run.
What's going on?
Mid tower taking damage.
To battle. Axe brings the axe.
Ooh, the conundrum. Do I go shield or chipped vest? Go shield. And armor.
Rest is for the dead. Axe go.
I haven't died this game, so I haven't been able to go and check in on Claude.
Taking damage.
He wants permission.
Axe runs. Into war. Blade mail. Taste my blade.
Why are people TPing away from me? It's not allowed.
Enemies need killing. To the enemy. Forward. Axe freezing death. Fight if you can. Is under attack. Prove yourself. To battle. Into war's teeth. Enemies need kill invisibility. Good day to fight. To the enemy. Forward.
Where are they?
Axe runs. Cut and run.
Guess I wasn't as stealthy as I thought I was.
Axe goes. Axe grows stronger. Rest is for the dead. Good day to fight. Go for my master. Not by blade alone. Forward. Axe charges. Here comes the axe. Attack! Wet my blade.
They just smoke here.
They've seen us, probably.
Enemies need killing. Axe run. Axe goes. Red axe is under attack.
I don't want to be doomed.
To battle. You deserve nothing. Says thank you. Axe into war's teeth. Cut and run. To the enemy.
And if Dagger and Orchid we can try, we will.
Feel the axe of axe. To the enemy.
No.
Well, my goodness, your top tower is being attacked. Your top tower has been destroyed.
Cut and run!
Dire structures are fortified.
Forward!
Enemies are ravaging your middle tower, and it's a beautiful day. Radiant have fortified their tower.
Praising death!
A scourge upon the earth is no more. Radiant's area has been killed.
A slice of the action! Axe brings the earth! To battle! Axe
Why is that
charge!
Doom so fast? Looks like he's constantly hasted.
Axe attacks!
Oh, speed aura.
Ward here.
Rest is for the dead.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Good day to fight.
Maybe they have observers too.
Axe, axe! Into war's teeth. Enemies need killing. Rest is for the dead. Axe goes. Good day to fight. To battle.
We aren't going to find anyone.
Enemies need killing. Axe charges. Cut and run. Axe is under attack. To the enemy. Forward. Not yet.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Axe run.
He was stunned.
I said good day, sir. Cut and run. Fight if you
Team!
Your tower taking damage.
Axe misjudged.
Lame! Right, now we can go and have a look at Claude. What's going on? Yes, work in the directory that you need to work in. I need to add configuration to Claude so that for most things it's fine. It's just particular commands I don't want it to run, like rmrf. Prompt on those ones. But for the rest of them, I don't care. Go ham. I trust you, computer. Right, let's go see Dota.
Charges. Enemies
Nice
need
knowing that
killing.
material consumption brings lasting happiness.
To battle.
I'll take that.
Axe goes. You good day to fight. Died worse. Axe runs.
That was close.
Forward. Into war's teeth. Here comes the axe. Taste my blade. To the enemy. Enemies need killing. Good day to fight. Wet my blade.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
After you. To battle. Axe runs. Cut and run. Axe goes. Commit yourself. To the enemy. Rest is for the dead.
Oh boy, that's bad. Ow. That's a good void.
Maybe escape.
Axe charges.
One's middle tower being attacked truly does send such a
Where did that sniper go?
flowing through one's veins.
Into war's teeth.
Sneaky sniper.
Enemies need killing. Axe runs.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
To the enemy. Rest is for the dead.
Ow.
I foresaw your death the moment you were born.
Ooh, that was a nice BKB.
I said good day, sir.
Mid tower taking damage. Your middle tower is under attack.
As misjudged.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Into war's teeth. Cut and run.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Good day to fight.
Congratulations. Your middle tower is...
Where did these guys go? Disappear like crazy.
Axe charges. To battle. We didn't need...
Shut up and say thank you.
Axe trades in death. Black bar.
No one go defend top tower. It needs to learn to defend itself.
To the enemy.
Top tower under siege.
To battle. Into war's teeth. You get nothing. Good day, sir. Haste. Axe charges. You fought badly. Died worse. I said good enemies need killing. A slice of the action. It is not yet time. Axe run.
Ow.
Show your worth. Good day to fight. Rest is for the dead. Axe go.
We don't have Witch Doctor ulti. Nice dodge.
Forward. Good day to fight. Into war's teeth. Axe charges.
Ow. We.
Axe likes this very much.
Anyone out there? Don't know if my chat thing is working for TurboCast. If I go to go live, is it in here? I'm here, says dedicated disk. Oh, it's still working. Okay. Thank you, dedicated disk.
And run. Rest is for the dead.
Ah, farts.
Axe go. To the enemy.
So they are all farming, and we are
Axe runs. Attacks.
That was skill, all right.
Taste my blade. Enemies need killing. Yes. Forward. Cut and run. Forward.
Many innocent lives Dyer's courier has taken. Look at maybe a vulnerable Dyer's
To
tower.
the enemy. Axe is under attack. To battle.
The enemy's bottom tower is fallen.
Axe run.
Radiant's courier has discovered
comes
the
the
entrance to
axe.
Courier Heaven, where it will be judged for its crimes.
Enemies need killing.
Pretty sure I saw a void here. Did.
Just what the doctor ordered.
Axe charges.
Test X670. Hello.
Axe gains strength.
How are you?
Good day to fight. Rest is for the dead.
Wow, 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 wow. Has a nice witch doctor ult. He was helped out by the pike. Dark Willow desperately saying, "Let's take objectives, guys." Hit him! Hit him! Hit him! You're a life stealer! Hit him! X670 test. Thank you for testing. It's useful. Doesn't have eggs. Why doesn't he have eggs? Get eggs, bro. Always rush eggs on Ogre. Look at Claude. Yes.
Axe goes.
Learn from Radiant's courier how not to welcome the dark world of evil.
Yeah.
To the enemy! Illusion! Cut and
Guys,
run!
buy dust please, because I don't have slot. No?
Attack!
I can give my dust too.
Into war's teeth!
Maybe you can try to buy ghost. Captain.
Scepter! Enemies need killing! Axe charges!
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Axe goes!
Do you want to test messages on Twitch? No sound on Twitch? Is there no sound on Twitch? There should be sound on Twitch.
Life, death,
Good
love,
day to
fear,
fight.
and getting to come back immediately after your murder.
Rest is for the dead. Get some.
Ow. Yes, witch doctor. Witch doctor? These doctor. Oh, there's Doom. Doing doomy things. Kind of. Is there no sound on Twitch, guys? If there's no sound on Twitch, that's a problem. I got a message from X670 on Twitch. And from people trying to sell me artwork. But I don't know if they can hear me. Although the Sophia Jack bot was interacting with me. Which makes me think she could hear me. It could hear me.
Forward. Axe attacks.
I gain power.
Axe. Axe brings the axe. Axe runs. Wet my blade. To battle. Cut and run. Attack. Taste my blade. Rest is for the dead. A slice of the action. Enemies need killing. Into war's teeth. Axe charges. Cuts two ways.
I need 25th level, then we can.
Oh, that's bad. Come on, someone show her. Snipers here.
Good day to fight. To the enemy.
Radiant
Axe goes.
structures are fortified.
No, just back.
For the king folk, you weren't half bad.
tower is in ruins.
Good day to fight. Axe runs. Heart of Karak. Cut and run.
Oh no!
Save marks, guys.
No sound on Twitch. Have a nice game, bro. Thanks, Carhan. I'm XX70, can't hear anything on Twitch. Here's the link, guys. Check it out. Thanks, dedicated disc. Let's see. Yes, carry on, Claude. Let me have a look at this Twitch stream. First. Yeah. Wait, no. There is sound on the Twitch stream. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Wait, no. There is sound on the Twitch stream. It's quite laggy. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. That's no good.
To battle.
Doom.
Rest is for the dead. Soldier of fortune.
Let's move.
Axe charges. Here comes the axe. Forward. Axe is promoted.
I think Doom is here.
To the enemy. Enemies need killing. Forward. To the enemy. To me. Show your work. Rest is for the dead.
Name. Wow, 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 wow. Guess that's it. Let me go have a look at this YouTube stream. See how the sound is there.
Your middle tower is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified. Mid tower taking damage.
YouTube.
Your middle tower has been destroyed.
Yeah, YouTube sound is alright.
Middle barracks. Just look at how not there anymore. The middle barracks is the left kidney of Dota. No one really needs it.
what we can do is
Radiant
make a
have
new
fortified their
tab,
towers.
make a new
Your
Claude,
middle tower is under attack.
give it a bootstrap, be like the sound on
Your
the
bottom
Twitch
tower is under attack.
destination.
Your middle tower has
Copy,
been eliminated.
copy.
Your middle tower has been destroyed. Your ancient is under attack. Well, you lost. You should know that
Bum.
Axe is defeated.
Oh, I've got to go to bed now anyway. That was a good void. Be fair to him, he did well. Witch Doctor being very sour. I feel like we threw that game, did we? Yes, we did. Look at that clear throw. Whee! It's like a child throwing a ball to their father who just doesn't catch it. Drops it on the floor. Right. Claude, where are you? Do you have any questions about the vibe coding setup I'm running here? So we got this guy who's implementing the entire spec by himself as the orchestrator. He's launching several sub-agents, each one specialized to whatever part of the spec he's working on. Then we got this guy who's a new agent. He's just for debugging this Twitch sound issue. I feel like the Twitch sound used to be fine. It's been something I introduced recently. Fly too late packets messages. Interesting. I gotta go to bed. Good game, well played. Thank you, dedicated disk. How do you test the code? Agents write their own test code. Correct. That's one of the most important parts of using agents for programming, is making sure that they have a method for verifying the correctness of the code that they write for your application. So making sure they run static analysis, so linting and formatting and type checking and basic security checks, things like that. And also have them write unit tests, integration tests, acceptance tests, soak tests, smoke tests, load tests, whatever you can get them to write, get them to write it. And they'll do it. And then you can also set up so that whenever you give them a task to do, they will always write tests and do like proper TDD. They'll write a test first, make it red, and then they'll go write the code, make it green. So I've got a TDD skill in this code base. I can show you. Let me turn off the Claude one here. The TDD. So because this is a skill file under the Claude directory and the skills directory, it means an agent can examine the thing it's doing and the purpose of this skill and be like, I think I should use this skill for this task. So if it's writing a test, it will pick up the test-driven development skill and it'll abide by these rules in here. Be like, write the test first, watch it fail, then write the minimal code to pass. If you didn't watch the test fail, you don't know if it tests the right thing. So all of the code in here is always statically analyzed and tested in at least a unit test, but usually it's covered by both unit and integration tests. Does that make sense? Pretty cool. Thanks for the vibe coding and double stream. I gotta go to sleep too. Good night, dedicated desk. Thank you for the company. Hope you get a good sleep, bro. you can see the agent found the bug. For the Twitch audio choppiness. So when my edge node is sending a connection through to the media node, there's some choppiness in the network. There was no buffering to account for it. The agent was like, let's put a bit of buffering in there. And I agree. So that's the conclusion of that bug fix. I'll update any agent files, which is what this update system MD skill does. It's like, nope, don't need to update anything. It's fine. Alright, I'm done with this agent. Back to the main spec implementation. So how's he doing? Look at the cursor. In the specs, in progress, control data. So task 1 is completed. Task 2 completed. Task 3 completed. Task 4 completed. Task 5 in progress. 6 in progress. 7 not started. 8 not started. 9. 10 in progress. 11 not started. Okay, still a fair ways to go then. I might just stop him here and have him pick up tomorrow. You can see here he's logged that he's dispatching these tasks with work tree isolation. So that means the agent has started sub-agents, the backend implementer agent in this case. And within my computer somewhere, there's isolated git checkouts of the repository. So each sub-agent, 3 in this case, has their own copy of the code to work on. Then at the end, the orchestrating agent will bring everything back in together. Right. The beauty of this, the way I've set it up here, well, there's many beautiful things. But, sorry, I realized I wasn't sharing this bit. So it's dispatching tasks 5, 6, and 10 in parallel with the work tree isolation. Backend implementer agent doing task 6 on this one. Task 5 is done. Task 10 is in progress. So this one might be doing task 6 and 10. Not sure. But yeah, one of the good things is I can just stop it at any time. And then tomorrow when I rerun the run spec command, that agent will pick up where this one's left off seamlessly. I might do that. Anyway, this whole stream tonight was through TurboCast, which I'm quite proud of. So thank you for the company, and I'll see you on the next one.